So we are out and about. Got everybody with me. Hey man, look at that. He's in the phone. Say hey. So we are networking at the neighborhood market or the neighborhood flea market.
It's over there.
What? So, a lot going on out here. We need some clothes, some shoes, toys. This is our Black Friday, every Friday. Real talk. Friday network. Got a lot of different stuff out here. So, they go into the Converse section or the whatever they call these shoes. They look like Converse though. They dope. For kids, they dope. Got a lot of different styles.
All down through here. Check it out.
Don't you just love the independent hustle? Look at that. 3 for $25. 3 pair of shoes for your kids for $25. And if you talk to them right, you might get 3 for 20. I'm just saying, we out here networking, man. This is neighborhood market. We in Phoenix, Black Phoenix. Hold on, I'm out.